We will display how to set up serial number validation in this video. This is the label template. We will perform the serial number check on this to debarcode. First, we add a barcode inspection module. Use the blue box to cover the barcode. There are two ways of serial number validation in the BLC. The first way is to set up in the barcode module. And enter the corresponding verification rules. Then the setup is done. The second way is to add a data check module and select the barcode content that needs to be verified in the input to be verified. Then enable the serial number check. Enter the corresponding verification rules. Then the setup for the serial number check is done. We switch to the bartender to check the barcode content. The barcode content consists of a 3-digit prefix, 3-digit suffix, and the 5 digits of number. The 5 digits are increasing each time when the label prints out. Then switch to the BLC and set up the serial number verification rules. Enter 3 for prefix, 3 for suffix. The serial content is number, so choose number in the character set. The length is 5. So enter 5 for both maximum and minimum. This is the verification rule for this serial number. Start BLC. Print 3 labels with correct data. Then for 4th label we manually modify the data to simulate an error. Back to the BLC to check the inspection result. The result shows serial number check failed. The error is caused by the detected serial number being SEN 00005 BLC. The correct serial number on this label should be SEN 0000 for BLC. So it means the serial data that the system expects is not matched with the actual data inspected. The labels from the first one to third one are okay because the data content is correct. This is the serial number check function in BLC.